Hey there, job seekers! Welcome back to our channel, where we're diving into all things career and technology related. Today we're going to tackle a topic that's often overlooked but incredibly crucial: crafting the perfect resume and cover letter. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be armed with tips to make your job application stand out in the competitive market. Let's start with the cornerstone of your job application: your resume. Many people fall into the trap of including too much irrelevant information, which can turn off hiring managers. Let's break down the essentials that'll make your resume shine. First things first, keep it concise. In the corporate world, recruiters have limited time to sift through countless resumes. Aim for a one-page maximum to make their lives easier and improve your chances of being noticed. Tailor your resume for the specific job you're applying for. Highlight projects and experiences that align with the company's needs based on the job description. This not only helps you stand out, but also streamlines your profile. Think of keywords as your secret weapon. Research and incorporate the right ones to match the job qualifications. For instance, if you've built a recommendation system, use the commonly searched term recommender system instead. Show your genuine interest in the company and role by mentioning the company name in your professional objective. This personal touch can create a connection that sets you apart from the rest. Certifications matter. They're a mark of dedication and competence. Also, be sure to include your freelance and personal projects. They provide real-world proof of your skills and initiative. Whether big or small, share your achievements that are relevant to your work experience. Each one adds value and demonstrates your expertise. Recruiters often check your online presence, especially on platforms like GitHub, Kaggle, and LinkedIn. Make sure your profiles are up to date and aligned with your professional image. Now that your resume is ready to impress, it's time to create an equally compelling cover letter. Let's dive into some key points to keep in mind. Catch their attention right from the start. Your introduction should be memorable and relevant to the job. For example, experienced data scientist with working knowledge in data analysis or statistics. Avoid the temptation to copy and paste from the internet. Your cover letter should reflect your unique voice and experiences. Wrap up your cover letter with a clear call to action. Encourage them to reach out for further discussion, showcasing your enthusiasm and eagerness to connect. Stay away from overused phrases like "to whom it may concern," "self-starter," and "forward thinker." These can make your cover letter sound generic and uninspiring. And there you have it, folks. Comprehensive guide to crafting an outstanding resume and a compelling cover letter. Remember, these documents are your first impression, so make them count. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more career tips. Until next time, stay motivated and keep chasing your dreams. Thanks for watching.